Hello and welcome to Login Science. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to go live on TikTok. For you to stay live on TikTok, you need to have a minimum 1000 followers and you have to be 18 years old or older than that. If you meet these two requirements, you can stay live on TikTok, and for that, just open your TikTok, then click on the plus icon. Beside the templates, you should be able to see the live option, which I don't have because I don't have the 1000 followers, sadly. But yeah, you can just click on that and you can go live. However, if you did not see the live option even after meeting the requirements, then what you can do is number one, wait for a day. Number two, you can try uninstalling and then installing the TikTok. And if that does not solve the problem, then what you can do is report it, which is number three. To report, open your app, then click on the profile icon, which is at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the hamburger icon, which is at the top right corner. Click on settings and privacy. Scroll till you find report a problem. Click on it. Then you will be able to see a lot of topics. Ignore them. Just scroll and click on submit a report, which is at the end. And now we're gonna report a problem that we are facing, which is not having the live option. Here you can simply write like, even though I have crossed the 1000 followers and I'm over 18, I'm not getting the live option. And you can also screenshot your followers, the profile page, and send it, or you can also make a video and then send it. Once the request has been submitted, it might take a while for them to respond, but this should help. This was how to go live on TikTok. I hope the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.